Hey guys, welcome to the second video on the nomenclature of the Alkene and Cycloalkenes. In our first video, we did step-by-step method on how you can name Alkene and Cycloalkenes. So if you haven't watched that video, I will leave a link in the description below. But in this video, I'm going to show you ways and patterns in which you're going to see questions in your exam, and these are ways you should be expecting in the exam. And I'm also going to teach you how to name this structure. Not only that, before the end of this video, I want to teach you how you can use the IUPAC name to draw the structure of the compound, because these are stuff you are going to see your test and your exam. So make sure you stick to the end of this video and take every single thing down. Let's get started. So now let's start naming this compound here. Now these are stuff you are going to see in the exam. These are patterns and ways you are going to see questions in the exam. If you have been asked what to give the nomenclature of this compound here, how you go to that? First and foremost, what you want to understand is that this one is given in what condensed structure. Do that. Now you have to express in the full display structure, so that you know how the atoms are be connected. You get. So that when you look at something like this here, this carbon atom here is carrying 2 methyl group. That's why this methyl group is 2. It shows that this carbon atom here is having CH3, CH3. Do that. So now look at this carbon atom, this carbon atom. Then the methyl is this methyl 2, right? Then it's connected to a double bond there. This double bond is having carbon here, hydrogen, and CH3. So this is the structure of this guy. So whenever you see something like this in the exam, make sure you explain like this so you know how to name it. You get that? Now the next thing you want to do is take the longest continuous carbon chain containing the double bond. You get. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Is what butene. But we are going to start our number from. Now, if I start my number from your 1, 2, coming back to is carry the double bond. If I start from your 1, 2, coming back to is carry the double bond. So number for from both sides gave 2. You get. However, this carbon atom is carry hydrogen. Hydrogen is not a substituent, but this carbon atom is carry a methyl group, which is a substituent. Because this carbon atom is carrying a substituent here, it's not going to be my priority. So instead of starting from here, I'm going to start from here. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So carbon number 2 is what is carry in the time. So we're going to go 2 butene. You get. So now I carbon number 2 I also have in the time. So we're going to be you're going to do 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Then here we have 2 butene. So that is the name of this guy here. Now let's move over to this other one here. The same thing I've done here, I'm still going to do this one here. This carbon atom here is carrying 2 chloro group. So it's going to be Cl. Do you get that? The kind of double bond here, carbon atom here. This one is carrying 2 methyl, which was CH3. So this was my carbon 1, because it's carbon 1 is carrying a double bond. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 substituents, 2 chloro group and 1 methyl group. Do you get that? Now remember, the parent name is going to be propene, right? Now, but the carbon atom carry double bonds is our carbon number 1, so it's going to be 1 propene. You get 1 propene. So I carbon number 1, I have 2 chloro group. Now chlorine comes from methyl in terms of alphabetical order. So it's going to be 1 dichloro. Do you get that? Now the reason is that the two chloro groups are attached to carbon number 1. So that's why it's called 1. Numbers are actually separated by comma here, right? The numbers and alphabet are separated by hyphen. This is dash here. It's very important. So we're going to be 1 dichloro, 2 methyl. Now the reason why it's 2 methyl because methyl is a carbon number 2. Then that brings 1 here, 1 propene. So that is the name of this guy here. So that let's move over to the other one here. So when you look at the other one here we have carbon here having 2 methyl group. Now then double bonds. Here we have hydrogen, here we have B. Of course, this will be my carbon 1, 2 and what 3. So I have what a bromo group, I have what methyl group. So we're going to be what 1 what bromo. Then we have what 2 what methyl, what 1 what propene. That is what next. So now let's move to the next one. So now let's name this one on the board here. Now here we have this one here. Now the first thing we want to do here is what take the longest continuous carbon chain that contain what the double bond. Do you get that? So if you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have what 5 because there's double bond. Start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So heptene is what parent chain. Do you get that? So but the position of the double bond matters a lot. Do you get that? If I straight from here to here, then I have 2 substituents here and this one here, 2 methyl, right? So if I start from here, what is the position of this carbon atom here? If I start from here, what is the position of this carbon atom here? If I start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon number 4 is what is carrying what the double bond, right? But if I start from here 1, 2, 3, carbon number 3 that is what is carrying what double bond. Do you get that? So the position of the double bond must have the lowest possible number. 4 and 3, which is lowest. 3 is what is lowest. So you start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So instead of say heptene, I have to say what 3 what heptene, 3 what heptene, or hept 3 what in, whichever we want to name that. You get that? So the position of the two methyl is what 2 and what 4. So now we have to what 2, 4 dimethyl. So you can take anyone here. So here we have 3 heptene. You get, or you can say 2, 4 dimethyl. Here we have what hept 3 what in, whichever way you want to name it. You get that? So that is the name of what this one here. So now let's move over to this other one. So now this got what cyclo, you get. So now what I want to understand in cyclo is that now cyclo that what in a ring, do that. So the carbon atom kind double bond must be what my carbon 1 and what my carbon 2. If you look at this one here we have this point and this point that is what kind of what double bond. Do that. So that point must be what my carbon what 1. Either here or here can be what my carbon 1. But however, because there is a substituent attached to this point here, this point will not be what my carbon what 1. Do you get that? So remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now it's supposed to be what pentene, right? As mean it's not what in a ring. But since it's not in a ring, now going to be what cyclo what pentene. So the parent chain is what called cyclo. Cyclo what pentene. Now this pentene, this E here shows that there's a double bond here. Do that. Now methyl is our carbon what number what 1. So now we're going to be what 1 methyl cyclo what pentene. You get, so we're going to be what 1 methyl cyclo what pentene. So that is the name of what this guy here. So we have done with one here. Now let's look at this guy. Look at this guy. So I'm going to draw this one out for people to understand here. So here we have CH3. So I'm going to draw it twice. Do you get that? Here we have. Now when you have something like this, I say that either here or here can be with my carbon 1. Do you get that? So if here's my carbon 1, definitely here going to be with my carbon 2. Here we are going to be carbon 3, 4, 5, and what 6. You get. Now if here's my carbon 1, definitely here going to be with my carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, and what 6. Now if you check it very well, methyl is our carbon number 3, methyl is our carbon number 6, right? So you know that here is what the right number. So I'm going to start the number from here. So now going to be what? Now the parent thing is going to be what cyclo what hexene, because how many carbon atoms do you have in the ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So now going to be what 3 what methyl. The what cyclo what hexene. You get. But if you look at this one, going to be what 6 methyl cyclo what hexene, which is what wrong. You get. Now let's look at this other one here. You get, now these 2 points can that be what my carbon one, right? However, this point is already what carry what in methyl group, right? It's substituent. But technically this one is already what my carbon one. So this one cannot be my carbon one when there's what there is substituent here. So here it's going to be what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what 6. You get. So now the name is going to be what 1,6-dimethyl cycloalkenes. So that is what the name of what this compound here. You get. So these are to what to name alkene and what cycloalkene. Now let me show you how you can what use the name to interpret to what get the structure. You get. Now let's do that. So the next thing is that we are going to use this name here to get the structure of what of the molecule. Do you get that? So it's very easy. Just pay close attention. You understand? Here we have 2,6-dimethyl 1-octene. Now what we want to understand is that what we want to start with is what is the parent chain. 1-octene, oct means what 8. So we're going to do what 8 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8. You get. Now you can start your what node from anywhere. You can either start from here or you can start from here. But I prefer to start from here. So if I start from here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what 7, what 8. Now 1-octene means that the double bond is a carbon what 1. So here we have the double bond. So it's 1-octene means that the double bond. 1-octene means that the double bond is a what carbon what 1. So here we have what place 1 here. You get. So now this is what we want to start with. We want to start what with the what parent chain, which is this guy here. Next we will start fixing what the substituents. Now when you say dimethyl, that is our 2-methyl. One is about carbon number 3, one is about carbon number 6. So we're carbon number 3. So one is going to be what here CH3 here because it's a methyl. Then carbon number 6 here we have what CH3 here. Do you get that? Now another is cycle will put it down or down. It's the same thing. Now once I got this one here, the next will start what filling them with what the right number of what hydrogen. Remember, carbon must have how many bonds? 4 bonds. But there is a double bond there. Means that it needs what 2 more bonds. Then it needs what 2 more what hydrogen. So I'm going to fix 2 hydrogen here. You get. This one is already having 3 bonds. The double bond here and a single bond here. So I need what 1 bond, which is what hydrogen. So we're going to add what 1 hydrogen. Hope you understand. The same thing with this guy here. This one is already having what 3 bonds, right? So you need 1 more. So there's hydrogen here. You get. The same thing here. So need what 2. So what need 2. Or what need 2. No, this one need 1. This one need 2. So need 3. So if you don't do it like this, so you can actually express down as what CH2 double bond CH, right? Then here we have CH, here we have what CH what 3. Then here we have what CH2, right? Here we have what CH2. Here we have what CH. Then here we have what in type. Here we have CH2. Here we have what CH what 3. So these are what structure of this guy here. These are what the structure of this one here. Do you understand? So it's advisable to leave it like this in the exam. Get your full mark. Now let's move to the second one, the B part. So here we have 3-chloropropene, right? Propene is what 3 carbon 1, 2, 3. So the carbon atom can either be here or here, right? So there's a double bond here. Now when you say 3. The chlorine is what is a carbon number 3. So here we have 1, 2, 3. So here we have what Cl. You get Cl. So next to what start filling what the right amount of what hydrogen. Now this one we're going to have 2 hydrogen because it already have what 2 bonds. So here we have 2 hydrogen here. Pick the hydrogen. Then we're going to have what 1 hydrogen because already is already have a double bond and a single bond, making it 3. So you need 1 more, which is what hydrogen. And this one have 2. So here you have to give what 2 hydrogen. You get. So you can leave like that. What CH2 double bond CH. Here we have CH2Cl. So these are the what structure of this guy here. You get. Now let's look at what the last one. no, now let's look at what the third one. The third one is what? Now the parent chain is what? Two pent, that is 5 carbon atoms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember I told you I can start anywhere, right? So if I decide to start from here, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5. So when you say 2 pent, it means that the double bonds are carrying what? 2. So you have 1, 2. Carbon 2 is what carry what? Double bonds. You get. So now when you say 2, 4, 4, that is the compound is having 3 methyl group. One is our carbon number 2, 2 is our carbon number 4. You get. So carbon number 2 is having what? 1 methyl group here, CH3, right? Then carbon number 4 I have what? 2 methyl group. So here I want to have CH3 and what? CH3. The next one to feel what your hydrogen. Do you get that? So you're going to have 3 what? Hydrogen. You're going to now here is not going to have any hydrogen because carbon here is already have what? 4 bonds. What about this one here? This one is going to have what? 1. What about this one here? This one is not going to have any 1. This one is going to have what? 3. So if you should condense it, it's going to have what? CH3, right? Here we have what? C. Here we have CH2. Here we have what? CH2. You get. So here we have CH. Then the double bond here. Then what? CH2. Here we have what? CH2. So this is what the structure for what? This one here. You get. So go ahead and do this one. Comment your answer. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and just try some for yourself. So we have come to the end of this video here. Hope it's helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done that, and give it a like if you actually understood what you are actually doing here. Do that. If you have not watched my nomenclature of the alkane and the first part of the first video of what alkene, please I will leave a link at the description below, or you are going to see it at the screen. Go there and watch the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.